Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. Hello students, welcome to Geography class. I am your Geography teacher. So students, from last few lectures we have been learning lesson number 2, let us use graticle. In last lecture we have learned how to describe linear features like river, road, etc. on the map, how we can use the latitude and longitude to describe a particular area on the globe or on the earth. Also we went through an example of the Nile River of Africa. We have also solved some questions about the map of Brazil through the figure number 2.3. Now let's go forward. Let us get acquainted with some important parallels and meridians. All places between 23 degree 30 minute north and south of equator receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Other areas of the earth never get perpendicular rays. The parallels at 23 degree 30 minute north and 23 degree 30 minute south of equator are called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. The parallels at 66 degree 30 minute north and south of the equator are also important parallels. In the area between these two parallels throughout the year, daytime lasts within the limit of 24 hours. These are called the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle respectively. Depending on the season's daytime, sun beings visible in the sky can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circles and the poles. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the poles based on the season. During this period, the sun continues to move in a spiral on the horizon. So students, as we know that in the daytime we can see the sun in the sky for 12 hours and another 12 hours sun doesn't appear in the sky, that is in the night time. But on the both polar circles, sun appears for 24 hours as per the season. It means if there is a summer season, sun can be appear for complete 24 hours. That means in night time also you can see the sun on the horizon. So on the polar areas the sun appears for 6 months and disappears for 6 months in a year. As we know, the earth axis is inclined. So when the North Pole comes in front of the sun, the summer season starts there and sun can be appear complete 24 hours in a day for complete 6 months. During this period, when the South Pole go away from the sun, winter season starts there, and because of that sun doesn't appear for 6 months in the area of the South Pole. The same thing happen in next 6 months. When South Pole comes in front of the sun, summer season starts for 6 months and the sun can appear for 24 hours a day. During this period, when the North Pole goes away from the sun, winter season starts there, and because of that sun doesn't appear for 6 months in the area of North Pole. So students, this is your homework. Which important parallel passes through India? Which areas do not get perpendicular sun rays? Which region receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year? Show these regions by different colors on a map of India. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.